Good morning guys, we are leaving our beautiful villa and we're heading out to lunch. We're actually meeting back up with Jack and Lauren, who we met yesterday for the first time, but we got on so well and we were talking about some really exciting plans together that we thought we should probably meet up again today. So they're heading over from Canggu on their moped and yeah, we need to select a cool place to chill, and I'm very glad that it's not as rainy today.
Guys, how cool is this car? Oh my gosh. Louis, can you get one?
Yeah, we can get 3.
Yay!
We were just driving past this coffee shop and I thought we should probably stop and check it out. This looks pretty good. Oh, it smells good as well. It smells like really good coffee.
I don't know what that smells like.
You can smell that smell? That's really good coffee. Guys, these coffee beans were grown in Bali. And it's delicious, delicious coffee. Here's a clear sign of a good coffee place. If it's advertised as a specialty coffee place, that means something, okay? That means it's not commercial grade coffee, it's specialty coffee, so. Guys, we're gonna go and see if we can find the puppy. We've literally done this every day. He's there! He's there! Hello, puppy. Hello. Hello. We found him! We found him! Hey! Hello! Mali? Mali? I'm so happy.
Yeah. Oh.
Jack and Lauren have arrived. Hey guys. You ready for delicious food?
I'm going to see this online.
So guys, we just popped into an estate agent's to see if we could buy some land out here to build a treehouse on. So we're just finding all about how it works and looking at prices and stuff. This is fascinating. So we have just driven down the road to a waterfall that's nearby. I think Sam Evans and Sam Earp came to this waterfall last week for sunrise, but we didn't join them because I don't get up at sunrise. But we've come down here now. It might be quite busy. Who knows? We're gonna go and check it out. This is awesome. I just want to go swimming, but I didn't bring my swimming gear. Should I go skinny dipping?
There's literally a sign that says, I think it says, don't worry, be sexy, but not naked. So you can.
On some sketchy bamboo bridge. waterfall is like way crazier than usual. Like all the mist from the water's hitting us. I'm like struggling to take photos because the lens is getting like covered in water. And also these bridges here, these bamboo ones we just walked across, these aren't usually here. But I am so jealous. I wish I had my swimming shorts. I really want to go in. This is cool. This is a pretty epic waterfall, guys. You would not want to slip from up here though, check that out. Right, we're following this path. We don't know where it goes, but it's all part of the adventure. We have no idea what this is. It's like brand new stairs. We're saying maybe there's like a plot of land up here for sale. Sorted. This would be perfect at the top of a waterfall. It's like just a normal, it's just like a normal like road.
Good afternoon, man.
Hello. Wow. This is like the back entrance to the waterfall.
Yeah.
We've decided we're too lazy to walk all the way down the waterfall and up the other side, so I'm just going to pay this kid to take me to the entrance on the other side. Thanks, man. Thank you. Here you go. What a legend. Oh, that was a lot of fun. That's that's a lot easier than walking down and up the valley. It is funny though, because they're literally over there. I could probably see them just by those palm trees in the horizon there. That was a successful plan. Oh. Mission success.
Yay!
That was fun.
Look at the sky. It's beautiful.
It's so beautiful, isn't it? So we've come out for dinner at this Indian restaurant. I'm very excited.
Are they bugs?
Oh my gosh. What is this? Guys, these are everywhere. We don't really know what they are.
Our friends.
We had a lovely dinner. Jack and Lauren are heading back to their place. And we're leaving Ubud. Well, we're not leaving Ubud, we're going back up to our villa. But tomorrow we're leaving Ubud tomorrow. Tomorrow's our last day. But I think we've had a good day today. I'm very happy we saw the waterfall. That was like one of the things I was very keen to do before leaving Bali. And it's been difficult with all the rain and stuff. But it's been a good day, isn't it?
I'm thinking hopefully we can maybe see the rice fields tomorrow. Even if we just like drive through and pop out quickly.
I think if we wake up a little bit earlier than we have been.
But
I'm aiming that at me.
Maybe we shouldn't go to bed at 5 then.
Yeah, maybe we should.
Maybe.
Right, I will catch you guys in the morning. And we're going to make the most of tomorrow. We're going to go and see Sam. We're going to catch them again for lunch, hopefully. But yeah, see you then. Peace out, enjoy life, and live the adventure. Boom.